Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert PDF to Microsoft Word old version, that means 97 and 2003 format. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this convert option and here you will find this Word option. Click on this Word and this Word output format, a dialog box. Click on this down arrow and here you will find this Word doc. Select and setting option. You can select all pages or custom pages and make it default all pages and select OK. Open folder and see this Word and click on the right button and select properties option. This Word 97 and 2003 format and open it. Okay, and see this. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.